Are you a fan of banana pudding? How about a banana pudding cheese ball? That's what I'm making here on Jim's Kitchen. In a bowl, I need to mix together a block of softened cream cheese with some softened butter. Combine that together. Add a half cup of powdered sugar and some banana cream pudding mix. I'm going to mix that in there. Once it's incorporated, cover and refrigerate for 2 hours. Now I'm going to crush some vanilla wafers in the food processor with a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm forming that mix into a ball and covering it in those cookie crumbs. And now I'm going to refrigerate this ball for another 30 minutes. Serve with some Dilla wafers and banana slices. Banana pudding cheese ball. Wow. Mmm. That's great. What do you call it when one banana eats another banana? Can a bananalism?